Video number 250, converting in popular metric units. Here are the following very popular metric units. The very awesome advantage to using the metric system is the fact that we are using base 10 and powers of 10 to convert from one to another. So I'm not going to go through all of the metric conversions, just popular ones. So 1 centimeter is equal to 10 millimeters. Okay, so if you take 1 centimeter and divide it into 10 pieces, each one of those pieces is a millimeter. Which leads to this last one, 1 meter. Yes, it is 100 centimeters, which means it's 1,000 millimeters. There's your power of 10 happening right before your eyes. We have 1 kilometer equals 1,000 meters. The prefix kilo means thousand, so therefore that's why we would call it 1,000 kilometers or kilometers. Okay? Here are 4 questions we're going to take a look at in this video. How many centimeters are there in 7 meters? How many kilometers is 400,000 millimeters? 67 centimeters is how many meters? And 5.67 meters is how many millimeters. Alright, so here's the first one. What we do is we take, and I deleted this here, so I just got to go back here and just rewrite this one as 400,000 millimeters. So what we have, first thing we're going to do is convert the millimeters to centimeters by dividing by 10. Okay? So you can do this 1 unit at a time. So we can convert the 400,000 millimeters to centimeters by dividing by 10. Then by dividing by 100, that converts the centimeters. See, in this step, after doing this, you'll be in centimeters. Alright, so you got your centimeters there, and millimeters are going to cancel out. So then we would convert from centimeters to meters by dividing by 100, because there's 100 centimeters in a meter. So then we'll have meters, and then by dividing by 1,000, we would then have kilometers. So yes, you can use this fraction. You can use this here. This is really more for the standard units that we did in the previous video. But it does work here. You can use the fractions. You're probably better off actually just simply trying to figure out logically what to do. I think we all can say that 400,000 millimeters, if you want to convert to kilometers, you're obviously going to have a lot less. So that's why you'll continue to divide. Because we're going to work with a lot less kilometers to take up a lot of millimeters. That's why we're going to divide. Next one, 67 centimeters is how many meters? So again, we ask ourselves a logical question. What's bigger, a centimeter or a meter? It's definitely a meter, so therefore, again, we would divide. So we would divide by the correct conversion. You would divide by 100 centimeters to get 0.67, which is about 2/3 of a meter. Next one, 5.67 meters is how many millimeters? Well, we know that there's 1,000 millimeters in a meter, so therefore we would actually multiply. Again, what's bigger, a meter or a millimeter? Well, a meter is bigger. Therefore, it's going to take a lot more millimeters to cover the distance that a meter does. So that's why we would what? Multiply. So this time we're going to multiply 5.67 times 1,000. And there you have it. That's the metric system. Popular conversions in the metric system, at least for distances. We will talk to you later.